Have you ever tried taking a screenshot online, only to see your screen turn black, blurred, or completely blocked? Websites, apps, and certain protected pages often disable screenshots for privacy or copyright reasons. But today, I'm going to show you several safe and simple methods to screenshot anything online, even if it's blocked. Let's get started. First method, use your browser's built-in developer tools. Open the page you want to screenshot. Then press Ctrl+Shift+I on Windows or Option+Command+I on Mac. This opens the developer panel. Now press Ctrl+Shift+P or Command+Shift+P and type Screenshot. You'll see options like Capture Full-Size Screenshot or Capture Node Screenshot. Click it, and Chrome will take a perfect screenshot of the entire page, completely bypassing screenshot blocking. Second method, print to PDF. Some websites block screenshot tools but don't block printing. Press Ctrl+P or Command+P, choose Save as PDF, and you'll get a clean digital copy of the entire page. This works on most browsers and doesn't trigger screenshot restrictions. Third method, use Firefox. Firefox has a built-in feature that ignores screenshot restrictions. Right-click anywhere on the page and choose Take Screenshot. You can capture the visible area or the full page in one click. This tool works on many websites that block screenshots inside Chrome or mobile apps. Fourth method, use a virtual machine or browser extension. Tools like Go Full Page or Lightshot often bypass restrictions because they capture the rendered web page, not the displayed screen. This means even if the site blocks print screen, the extension still grabs the full web page content. Now, here's a powerful bonus tip. Use your phone's screen recording instead of a screenshot. Many apps block screenshots but do not block video recording. Once you record the screen, you can pause the video and save any frame as an image. It's simple, effective, and works on both Android and iPhone. However, always remember, use these methods responsibly. Do not capture sensitive or private information without permission. These tools are meant to help you save content for personal use, learning, or documentation, not to violate anyone's privacy or rights. So the next time a website blocks screenshots, don't worry, you now have multiple ways to capture anything you need. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.